behind the toilet. So you know water's getting under there and with the same dip.
Woo!
Yeah, exactly.
Goodness.
But don't step light on the other side.
Oh, this is bad.
Yep.
Oh, Lordy. Yeah, that's a huge
You
difference.
can stand here and tell how it's going that way. Into that right corner.
Right here.
And then you can stand at the back of this hallway and see that it's going that way and to the front when you get right about here. When you get right about here, you can see how this is going there and that's going that way.
Okay.
And then this is the room, this room right here.
Yeah. But which room is bigger? I can't really tell.
They're the same size.
Same size? Okay.
And you can see it right there in that corner.
Yep, look at it. Right here.
Yeah.
Right there. Dang, Mr. Chris, I was trying to corner with you.
You know how I am. And you can look behind that toilet and see where it's trying to burn. Behind it, and you close the door on the right side.
Ooh. Yeah, I see it. Man. And this definitely gone too.
Now this bathroom, you might well full good because you got mold in the wall.
Can you see?
That's mold room behind them towels.
Do you think it's gonna be as much as the other ones? Because this is a small house though.
These floors worse than that.
These floors are worse than the ones?
Yeah.
Even when they're being that small? I'll get your video. Mr. Chris,
Yeah,
my contractor.
She ain't listening.
Goodness.
Now what I suggest doing for your laundry room,
Okay.
it's two things I would suggest doing. One, to make sure that this is up to code and everything, I would close this off.
Close it off.
Put the door to the laundry right here. Put the stove right here. And then you'll have a L shape.
Oh, look at you, Mr. Chris, thinking.
That's going to be extra.
Oh, no. And I don't like that tone, Mr. Chris. What the world?
And then, because so you don't take too much footage away here, what I would do is in this room right here.
You think I should make it bigger?
No, take this closet out and then flip it. Open it up on the other side, put a top, and that could be your little desk.
Let's see.
There'd be a recessed desk.
Right
so
here.
You're taking the closet and now this will recess that where that closet was. And then you can put a countertop there and this could be your workstation.
Okay then. But what about
versus putting a desk, then you ain't got to buy no desk.
Okay, you right. That'll work then. But what about the closet?
Closet, you got two closets in here.
I do? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you got one right there.
Oh, well there you go then. Oh, yeah, I don't need that then. You fine. Okay. But that worked. Mr. Chris. No, that's good. Then we ain't scratched the surface.
And I don't know. Take me out. I don't want to.
Okay. Okay. We about to get off the top of money now. Bye.